this amazing Land Rover Defender D240 S model in the Santorini Black 2020 70 registration has just arrived. With 9,000 miles on the car, today with the live pricing, it's £60,990. Now this is not any ordinary car, it's got a mega specification, completely different to any other D240 S models that I've seen. So I'm going to try and touch on as much as possible and to show you some of the features that I think are very neat and that just work extremely well. So first of all, you've got a new generation Defender, and these have great off-road capabilities. This being the D240, has 240 brake horsepower, so again, more than enough power. But some big features, this has the third row seating, so it's a 7-seat version, which is tremendous because it's a big car, but you want to use it every single day with your friends and family and business users, and that's what's great about this one. You've got the LED style daytime running lights, the full xenons, you've got front rear parking sensors, you've then got this checkered kick plates on the bonnet vents there, big bumpers obviously, and you've got loads of ground clearance. Still got the remainder of the Land Rover warranty till the back end of 2023, so if any problems at all, you are fully protected. If you look here, you've got the 20-inch upgraded alloy wheels, all with great tyres on, and again in immaculate condition. There's no corrosion, no curb damage, nothing like that. Front and rear mud flaps, you've then got the side steps which are fixed with the tubings on there, sun protection glass, the 110 decal on the side there, and then this one's got the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which is massive. Look at that there. You've got a full leather interior with electric seats and driver memory seats. You've then got heated seats, and you've also got ventilated seats. I'm not seeing many Defenders with the ventilated seats. It's amazing. Multifunctional steering wheel. Being a new generation Defender, you have the new infotainment system with the Apple CarPlay. Obviously, you've got navigation on the center dash and the media screen, which is a wider lens. Dual zone climate control, and you've also got air suspension as well. You've got USBs and you've got USCs all over the place. The condition of the leather, because the car's at 9,000 miles, is absolutely immaculate. And another nice neat feature, because not every car has this, the front seat also has ISOFIX attachments as well, which is good. As for the middle row seats, you've got the rear climate control for the rear passengers, and that's dual zone again, with the 12-volt sockets and USBs. You've got the grab handles. If you look up, you'll see the panoramic glass roof, which is tilted and slid back. ISOFIX seats again in there, fully fitted matte front and rear, and the car just looks amazing, genuinely, with the side air vents in black, LED style rear lighting system, and then you've got that checkered kick plate again, covering that rear lighting system. So again, it has that quite rugged off-road look. Love the squares, refined LED lighting system, a nice touch open rear boot lid. And unlike the older ones, you don't need to fight with it, it just swings open. Same again, check plate on the back, because this is where the dogs will climb in or you'll scrape things getting in and out of it, so this protects it again. Same as the back of the hard back there on the back of the seats. I've lifted one up for you so you can see that they are individual seating, and there is quite a lot of space in there as well. So you don't have to have all 7 seats up if you didn't want to, as they are individual seating. But to put them down, literally pull and then they drop. And that is amazing. Now this has got the family pack, so again you've got the rear heating module right at the back there, lots of cubbyhole spaces, there's cup holders even for the third row passengers, and because they have the glass pieces in the corners, again it's letting loads of light in, feels very airy, very spacious, and this is just a beautiful example of a D240. But like I said, it's got everything, literally. Reversing camera system, all the parking aids front and rear. There's no dents and no scratches because it's got 9,000 miles on. You've got over here the memory seats, electric windows and mirrors, the fully digital live instrument panel just here, the new switches for automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, lane assist, cruise control. You've got a nice leather steering wheel, but then look at this. This is leather. I haven't seen many with a leather dash. A lot of them have that cloth stitched in, and which is nothing wrong with that, by the way, but having this leather feel, real leather, it feels good. Seats are super comfortable. Lots of cubbyhole spaces around the center armrest area. The armrest lifts up, creates you another cubbyhole area there, and then you've got your glasses case holder just there as well. So remember, with 9,000 miles on, a D240 Santorini Black in the yes, but it's the extras, it's the upgraded wheels, the leather dash, the full leather interior, heated seats, ventilated seats, memory seats, the black styling pack, the side steps, the 7 seats, it just goes on and on and on. And with 9,000 miles on, it's absolutely immaculate. 60990 with the live pricing. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. They're more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.